Alright, so I guess this is part 6 of the Kx65 build. Yeah, so we just got a bunch of little parts to do. Springs for the foot pegs, the steering stem bearing, little boots for the levers, these little tiny screws for the front brake reservoir cap. They're all stripped out. New shifter, hour meter, new chain guide, plastic piece, and a chain. So yeah, still waiting for that stuff to get back from powder coat. Hoping sometime in the next couple of days I get it. So yeah, I guess right now I'm gonna put that chain on. Nice gold chain. Looks pretty cool. Alright, so finally got the stuff back from powder coat. Turned out pretty sick. Yeah, I just got the brake lever done in gloss black. And then I brought a little piece of anodized blue just so they can kind of color match it. And it's pretty good. It's not like full looking like anodized, but if I wanted to make it really look anodized, I'd probably try to grind out the forge marks and stuff. So turned out pretty good for like not prepping it, just bringing it down there and having them do it. So yeah, foot pegs came out looking nice too. These are the stock ones. So gonna go ahead and put the forks on, and then probably put the pegs on, and then the rear brake, and then figure out the number plate. Alright, so getting this KLX 110 front end to fit on the 65, what I'm doing right now, I don't know if I'm going to do this forever or what, but I put the bolts in the back 2 holes, and then there's the front 2 holes that are like raised up higher than the rear. You can see I stuck some bolts through there from behind the number plate. I'll try to zoom in there because there's like some tabs. I'm pretty sure on the KLX triple clamps there's like mounts for this to all work, but there's not those mounts here. So I think I might put a washer and a nut on each one of those. And then for the top one, I'm really not sure what I'm gonna do, because it's like it's just far enough below the bolt hole. I don't know if I can even make a bracket that would work. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do there. I was almost thinking like, what if I just heat up the plastic and bent it? But I don't know if that's gonna work. I don't want to risk like ruining the plate, so I don't know. Alright, well, I don't know what I'm going to do with that front end. I'm going to have to figure something out. I'm just going to have to look at it for a long time. But right now, it's like all the parts are there. Like it's together. It's the first time I've seen the whole thing all together. So I wouldn't say it's 100% there, because I still have to do the hour meter, like I said. but I've just gotta figure someplace out for that. And then like this, oh geez, see that? I don't even have a bolt in there, it's just sitting there. So I gotta figure something out there, figure out the hour meter, figure out that. But I think I'll save that for next video, because right now it's like 11 or 12 Wednesday night, and I want to release this video Thursday morning, so cutting it close here. But yeah, I feel like that's pretty good. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video and other videos leading up to this one, I'd appreciate it if you leave a like, and if you subscribed, I'd really appreciate that. But yeah, I guess I'll see you in the next one. We start this thing up for the first time, break in that new motor.